like, it's 5:30 in the morning. It's still so cold, and I just woke up. 1 minute. So I start my day with meditation, following with journaling and affirmation, reciting my affirmation. So yeah, let's get into it. You might be thinking I'm talking very fanciful, but it really took me a lot of time to like build this habit to start my day with meditation. It really relaxes my mind and prepares me for the day. So I really recommend everyone who is watching this video to start incorporating this into their daily routine. It will be really benefiting you in the long run. So I usually play some meditation music. For now, I'm like playing this singing bowl therapy for stress and anxiety meditation music. It's something like this. Okay, let's start. After my meditation, I start writing journals, like whatever that happens last day and what I plan for today. I write in the journal, okay, and I set out my intention, what I'll be feeling today, how I'll be feeling today, and what work am I going to do. So everything in that I'll be writing. So yeah. Now making some green tea for my girl, and ever since I have started drinking green tea, it has really improved my digestion. So not a lot, and some hot water over it. Then we'll leave it for like 10 minutes. ग्रीन टी बन गई है. Okay, let me show it to you. इसमें कलर ढंग से नहीं आ रहा, but it's quite green. Now finally I can start my studies after everything. So कल मैं CMA नहीं कर पढ़ पाई थी, तो आज हम लोग CMA से ही स्टार्ट करेंगे. Okay, one more thing I have almost forgot to tell you guys is that I have given my first module in December 22. So I am giving, I am preparing for my second module for this June 2023. Yeah. कि मैं अभी ICSI के मॉड्यूल से नहीं पढ़ रही हूँ. अभी ये मैं नोट से पढ़ रही हूँ, जो मुझे जहाँ से मैंने क्लासेस परचेज़ की है उन्होंने वहाँ से मुझे मिली है. और जब ये फिनिश हो जाएगा तब मैं ICSI का मॉड्यूल छूँगी, उससे पढ़ूँगी. ऐसे ही मैंने फर्स्ट ग्रुप में भी किया था और इसमें भी. So it's about 8:15 and I'm finally done with my CMA lectures. And of course my morning session. अब मैं थोड़ा बाहर जा रही हूँ to get some sunlight. Like I love sunlight during winters. तो उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या करते हैं. Bye. This video this far and found it relatable to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. By subscribing, you'll be notified to all my latest videos and you'll be supporting my mission to create meaningful content for people like you. अब मैं नहा के भी आ चुकी हूँ और मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट भी कर लिया है और अब चलते हैं फिर से पढ़ने के लिए. चलिए लेट्स गो. तो इस टाइम 9 बज रहा है, तो चलिए हम लोग कोई लाइट सब्जेक्ट पहले उठाते हैं. ओके लेट्स गो. और मैं टेबल पे थोड़ा बोर हो गई थी पढ़ते पढ़ते, तो नाउ आई एम गोना स्टडी ऑन माय बेड टेबल एंड या, और हम EBCL से स्टार्ट करेंगे. एट दिस पार्ट ऑफ टाइम मेरा पढ़ने का बिल्कुल मूड नहीं हो रहा था. ऐसा कई बार होता है कि जब आप पढ़ते रहो और आप मोटिवेशन खो दो, बट and this is the only time you need the motivation the most. But instead of seeking motivation from videos or going online or seeking from someone else, just ask yourself, why did you choose this degree, and you will know the answer. Here now I'm doing questions from scanners. So it's almost time for me to go to sleep, but before going to bed, I'm going to revise all the topics that I have covered today, because you know, when you go to sleep, just before that your subconscious mind is at the highest capacity to register all the information. So it is like very becomes an essential thing to revise things if you want to uh, make it remember till the very last time. So that's what I'm going to do. और उसके बाद मैं सोऊंगी. और and if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and drop your views down. I would love to hear from you guys, and your feedback will help me improve my content, and I would be like so grateful for you guys. Thank you so much again. Bye.